loves, in this video I will be showing you how I apply press-on nails. I ordered my nails from Nail Bay, LA, and I got the style Ocean in the nail size small and nail shape medium tapered. In the packaging, it provides instructions on how to apply and how to remove the press-ons. It also includes a cuticle pusher, alcohol wipes, a nail buffer, nail filer, and the nail glue. You'll need to get some nail clippers if needed. First step, I use the cuticle pusher to push my cuticles down. Keep in mind that I am no professional. I am just going off of what I observed from others doing nails at the nail salon. For the second step, we're going to clip our nails if needed. For the third step, we're going to file our nails. For the fourth step, we're going to buff the surface of our nails. For the fifth step, we're going to wipe our nails with alcohol wipes. For the sixth step, we're going to apply nail glue to our nails and press on the nails for 5 seconds or more. So for the last and final step, I go ahead and file the nails. This is optional. Alright loves, and here's the final look. These nails fit comfortably on my nails and they were easy to apply. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.